Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something that matters to almost everyone. Our eyesight. Imagine you're able to read clearly, work on your computer without straining, and enjoy the little details around you without discomfort. Yet for many, this isn't the reality. Let's begin by understanding some common causes of poor eyesight. Genetics can play a part, but lifestyle factors like screen time, lack of natural light, and even poor nutrition can weaken our eyesight. Daily tasks like driving, reading, or even scrolling on our phones become challenging, affecting both our productivity and quality of life. The good news is that there are vitamins and nutrients that play a big role in supporting eye health. By incorporating these vitamins, you can work toward clearer vision and even help protect your eyes over time. Let's look at some of the most important ones, and I'll share easy ways to include them in your daily diet. First up is vitamin A. Vitamin A, also known as the retinal protector, the superhero of the eye world, especially when it comes to night vision. You know how sometimes it's hard to see clearly in low light? Well, vitamin A plays a key role in making sure your eyes adapt properly from bright to dim conditions. Think of it like this. Vitamin A helps produce a pigment called rhodopsin, which is found in your retina. Rhodopsin is super important because it allows your eyes to detect light even when there's not much of it around. Without enough vitamin A, you might experience something called night blindness, which can make it tricky to navigate in the dark. Now, where do we find this amazing vitamin? One word: carrots. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, and it's true. They're packed with beta-carotene, which your body cleverly converts into vitamin A. But carrots aren't the only heroes in town. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are also great sources of vitamin A. And don't forget about sweet potatoes and bell peppers. They bring a healthy dose of vitamin A to the table as well. Adding just a few servings of these colorful foods to your weekly meals can make a noticeable difference in your vision, especially in low light situations. So make sure you're getting enough of this vision boosting vitamin. At number 2, we have vitamin C, a true powerhouse when it comes to overall health, including your eyes. You see, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your cells, leading to aging and various health issues. Vitamin C acts like a shield, neutralizing these troublemakers and protecting your cells from their harmful effects. When it comes to your eyes, vitamin C, it helps protect your eyes from aging and strengthens the blood vessels in your eyes. By strengthening these blood vessels, vitamin C helps ensure that your eyes receive a steady flow of oxygen and nutrients, which is essential for optimal vision. The good news is that vitamin C is found in a variety of delicious fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are well known for their vitamin C content, but don't stop there. Bell peppers, strawberries, and even broccoli are also excellent sources of this powerful antioxidant. So make sure you're getting your daily dose of vitamin C by incorporating these colorful and flavorful foods into your diet. Your eyes will thank you for it. Let's move on to another VIP in the world of eye health. Number 3 on our list is vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant helps protect the cells in your eyes from damage, reducing the risk of age-related issues. Think of vitamin E as a shield against pollution, UV rays, and blue light from screens. It helps keep your eye cells healthy and functioning at their best. Vitamin E also protects the retina, lowering the risk of age-related macular degeneration, which may lead to blurry or distorted central vision, difficulty with fine detail tasks, reduced color vision, or visual hallucinations, also known as Charles Bonnet syndrome. You can find vitamin E in nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and vegetable oils. Adding these to your diet can protect your eyes and keep them healthy for years to come. Now let's talk about zinc, a mineral that often gets overlooked, but plays a crucial role in supporting your eye health. While not a vitamin itself, zinc is like a trusty sidekick to vitamin A, helping it do its job effectively. Remember how we talked about vitamin A being essential for night vision? Well, zinc helps transport vitamin A from your liver to your retina, where it's needed to produce rhodopsin, that light-sensitive pigment that allows you to see in low light. But zinc's benefits don't stop there. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. And here's a bonus. Zinc can help reduce the risk of developing cataracts, a clouding of the lens in your eye that can impair vision. So how can you make sure you're getting enough of this important mineral? Seafood is an excellent source of zinc, especially oysters, crab, and lobster. If seafood isn't your thing, don't worry. You can also find zinc in meat, nuts, legumes, and whole grains. Adding just a few zinc-rich foods to your weekly meals can go a long way in supporting your eye health and ensuring that your body has the building blocks it needs for optimal vision. At number 5, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that do wonders for your overall health, including your eyes. You might have heard about omega-3s being good for your heart and brain, but did you know they're also essential for maintaining optimal eye health? Think of omega-3 fatty acids as lubricants for your eyes. They help keep your eyes moist and comfortable, especially if you suffer from dry eyes, a common condition that can cause irritation and blurred vision. But their benefits go beyond just lubrication. Omega-3s are also important for the development of the visual system in infants and play a role in preventing age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. So where can you find these eye-loving fats? Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. You can also find omega-3s in plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Adding just 2 servings of fatty fish per week or incorporating flax seeds or chia seeds into your diet can provide your eyes with the omega-3s they need to stay healthy and functioning at their best. Finally, at number 6, we have lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. These nutrients are found in high concentrations in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. Think of lutein and zeaxanthin as a protective shield for your macula, filtering out harmful blue light from the sun and digital devices. Blue light has been linked to eye strain, sleep disturbances, and even an increased risk of age-related macular degeneration. By absorbing this harmful blue light, lutein and zeaxanthin help protect your macula from damage and reduce your risk of developing eye problems later in life. They also play a role in reducing glare and improving visual contrast, making it easier to see clearly in bright light. These powerful eye protectors are found in leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens, are excellent sources of both lutein and zeaxanthin. You can also find them in other colorful fruits and vegetables like corn, broccoli, and eggs. Adding just a cup of leafy greens to your daily diet or incorporating other lutein and zeaxanthin-rich foods can provide your eyes with the protection they need from harmful blue light and support long-term eye health. So there you have it, essential vitamins and nutrients to boost your eyesight and protect your vision. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet is like giving your eyes daily love and care. I know what you might be thinking. That's a lot of different foods to remember, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by adding spinach to your morning smoothie or swapping chips for almonds. Focus on eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, along with healthy fats from fish, nuts, and seeds. Think of your plate as a rainbow, aiming to include as many colors as possible. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. There are endless ways to incorporate these foods into your meals and snacks. Remember, taking care of your eyes is a lifelong journey, and it starts with nourishing your body from the inside out. If you have any concerns about your vision, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor or a qualified eye care professional. They can provide personalized advice and help you develop a plan to maintain optimal eye health for years to come. Remember, prevention is key. So start nourishing your eyes from the inside out and here's to a brighter, clearer future.